Hey Gearheads, welcome back to BZB TV. This is Nate back here from the tech support team in our tech room. And today we're going to bring you another video and we're going to be talking about our revamped BZBGEAR switch control application. This application supports most of all of our matrices, our video wall processors, and our AV over IP systems. And you can do it all in one application. And the reason we're talking about it today, it is not only available just on iPad and iPhone, but it's now available on a Windows computer, Mac computer, as well as Android devices. So across all your devices, you can control your BZBGEAR Matrix video wall processor and other products. And a big reason for this change is that some of our previous software was only available on Windows, and I know a lot of users have Macs as well, so we want to make sure it's available, controllable, and adjustable from any device you're using it from. And so today we're going to do a little demonstration with the app, and we're using the control app on our Windows computer, connecting to one of our brand new devices, the BZBGEAR all-in-one video wall, matrix, and multi-viewer. As you can see, I have already have it set up. I have it connected into our AV rack here, but I have all of our inputs and outputs go into our 8 TVs. First thing before we actually dive into the computer, one thing you want to make sure is that the unit you're looking to control is on the same network of your computer or your device you're looking to control it with. Our VPA88 is in our rack. It's connected to our local network. All I had to do was turn on the DHCP option to pull a open IP address that was available on the same network. My computer's on that same network. I found the IP address through the unit. Also, you can follow links below here. We have videos on that as well. Now let's go ahead and connect to our application. So you actually can find it on the product page. You can download it, but also it's found in the Microsoft Store. As you can see here, I have it in my library already, the BG Switch Control. You could do a search up here and just type in BZBGEAR. There it is right there. And you can see we have a couple applications that's already installed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. And boom, there we are. And as you can see, I added a couple devices already. We also have our 16 by 16. So first thing is you want to go add device. You can see all of our devices that are available you can connect this application to. Before, each unit had its own application. Now it's all in one. It's just it's a great way to control it. So as you can see, we have all of our, here's a list of all of our products you can connect to, and then you get to see which one by clicking on added devices. You can see that we have 2 of them. I have our, like I said, a 16 by 16, but also our VP88. So actually, I'm going to go ahead and connect to our VP88. It's on our local network. You can see the IP address right here. I'm going to click on that, and they'll just pop right open. There we go. And so here it is. This is how simple it is. You got your displays, your outputs, and then you got your sources, your inputs. And I already went through and labeled each of our sources. You can go here, click on the 3 dots in the top right. You could change your source name. We got our Blu-ray, Fire Stick, PS4, Xbox. We have the movie Elf playing, and then like some media players as well. And then you can see on the left side here, you can see which source is on each display. So for instance, how easy switching is, I could just drag and drop. Let's put Elf on TV 1 up there. So it should just switch right away. How about Elf on TV, wait, it's already on. Let's go on TV 6. And boom, right behind me. Let's put the PS4 over here. So you can just move it around. That's how easy the Matrix is. Matrix is that a word? All right, now you can also, at the top here, you can do your presets. So let's say I have multiple TVs, all different spots, and I want to show this movie on all screens. I got to show on all displays. There we go. And then you can save this as a preset. We'll call this preset 1. You can name it. Let's do all BZBGEAR. I'll hit save. Boom, there's, and then, so I say that as a preset. Pass through is point to point, so I'm gonna put everything back to 1 to 1. Input 1, output 1, input 2, output 2. So I'm gonna do that. As you can see, the screens are switching. And boom, back to our initial setup. It's switched. All right, so now it's gonna go ahead and select that preset and hit select. And boom, right back to where we wanted to be. I'm gonna go back to our pass through. That's how easy the switching, setting, recalling presets. Now let's go ahead and create a video wall. So I'm gonna jump over to the video wall option here. And I like this because you can really fine tune which TVs that you're using for your video wall. So first I'm gonna create a 2x3 video wall. So I'm gonna use the top 6 TVs. I'm just dragging, that's all you have to do, is just drag and make your, and I know which TV is connected to which output. That's pretty straightforward, 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3. And so there's our 2x3 video wall. And then all I gotta do is select my source. How about, we'll do ELF. And then set video wall. And you can see it's building the video wall right now. Each TV is just kind of updating, and boom, there's our video wall. That's really easy to use. You could go back here. You can see that you can see that 1 through 6 TVs are no longer available because they're in a video wall, but 7 and 8, if you want a matrix, you can do that as well. And if I just want to cancel the video wall, I just do delete video wall. Gotta let it update, but you can see each TV will go back to just 1 by 1 of the ELF movie. And now I'm gonna go back to my pass through to get it all back to my 1 to 1 option. And then if I want to create another video wall, I'm gonna do a 2 by 2. So we're gonna use the TVs 2, 3, 5, and 6. And it's gonna be on these 4 TVs right behind me. And let's select a source here. Let's go get some animals and then hit set video wall. Just building. There we go, we got our giraffe. Oh, that's awesome. And so if you wanna adjust your bezel, depending on how thick your bezels are, you could do this right here. If all the bezels are the same thing, you can select this option right there. So if you want to do that as well. And then, so I'm going to go back and then I'm going to set this as a preset. We'll just say, we'll call this rename preset. 2 by 2 animals. Save. And then I'm gonna go ahead and select my all BZB gear, how quick it switches, and then I'm gonna go show you how easy it is to switch between that and video walls. And boom. And then you can matrix your other sources as well. So there you have it. This is a wonderful application. I love it, and it's available, like I said, Windows, Mac, iPhone, iPad, Android devices as well. And it's really easy to use, really easy to control, very user-friendly, just drag and drop, and able to kind of maneuver things around. And yeah, so if you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach us at tech support or hit up one of our sales associates, or you can leave them in the comments below. Love to hear from you. We'd love to get back to you as soon as we can. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to videos like these so you'll be notified from BZB TV when our next video comes out. And as always, have a great day.